These days, every industry, every business is at risk of disruption, and banks are really no different. Whether it's to do with regulatory pressures, rising consumer expectations, greater competition, or even the endless possibilities of new technology, banks recognise the importance of innovation. But all too often, they have the innovation impulse, but not the innovation commitment. We need to get that innovation out of the labs and into the consumer's hands. Now, we know that that isn't easy. Innovating within a market where compliance, security, data privacy are all too important. Finkit was created to solve this problem, freeing banks from the constraints of the legacy IT systems and processes and accelerating their ability to deliver innovation and to transform digitally, safely and securely.
Finkit is the name of the platform and also the name of a division within the Monitise group that focuses specifically on Tier 1, Tier 2 retail banks to help them innovate with their customers.
Finkit combines 4 core capabilities: a platform and a toolkit for developers, a process and a strict agile methodology, a partnership program accessing some of the newest and most innovative fintechs, and finally a hand-picked group of people who have a culture that's based on agile principles and methodologies.
Now, innovating with banks isn't something new to Monitise. We've been doing it for over a decade. What's different now is that we're doing it through cloud-native and modern approaches. One of the unique attributes that we took from our 10 years plus of working together with banks is that the platform has data security, compliance and risk and scalability built in from the very beginning.
Our mission is to help our clients execute on meaningful innovation that benefits the end user. Now, that innovation is varied. It could be reimagining the humble bank statement, responding to regulatory change, finding new ways to engage consumers, helping them save money. The possibilities are endless.
The Finkit platform and toolkit is a modern application development stack and operational environment that helps developers focus on creating value for their customers. It's broadly made up of 3 areas: some technology building blocks, bringing processing, storage, security and protection infrastructure built on cloud technologies, a series of platform components built by Monitise and partners, which make up a series of microservices, each with APIs, that allows developers to make customer propositions directly focused on value for their customers. This is all built using our continuous delivery toolchain, a developer-focused set of tools that allows our teams to continuously build, test and release into production while minimising the burden of focusing on security, data privacy and regulatory compliance.
The Monitise Finkit team has been hand-picked for their ability to innovate at speed and with agility, specifically within the financial services sector. We find that new technologies is often as much about the people who are using those technologies as it is about the technology itself.
From concept to delivery, we are agile to our core. We have created a powerful process and agile engagement model underpinned by Finkit's toolchain process to automate as much of the process as possible.
Our team works with our clients in a very integrated, cross-functional way. We make sure that we have everything and everyone ready to go so that once we start working, there's no need to pause.
Whether it's support with upstream thinking, design and strategy-led thinking, software development, or downstream operational readiness, our holistic approach delivers processes and methodology customised to the specific needs of your business.
The partner programme at Monitise has 2 main objectives. The first is to work with banks and help them innovate at speed, and the second is to work with fintechs and help them innovate with banks and collaborate with them. We take partners, both established and new, through a step process. So we select them based on alignment to client requirements. We take them through a technical and commercial qualification process, and then we take them through due diligence. So for example, we're working with our partners BehaviourSec and HID to bring to life an authentication process which includes biometrics, so that it even recognises the way that you type.
With Finkit, you don't need to build these propositions from the ground up. Our people, our processes, our platform and our partnerships help accelerate getting the innovation into the hands of the end user.